Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. The other day, had somebody comment on my little table here. I'm gonna show you it in a minute, but I had my drill press sitting on it. And what this is a KETER portable or folding workstation. It's made for woodwork, but I've yet to do any woodwork on it. This was not given to me by the company. My parents gave me this for Christmas of 2019. So it's got about 14, 15 months of use. You can see rust and scratches and all kind of stuff on it. But anyway, every time I show somebody this, they're impressed with it. And it's only like $89. They had them at Sam's one day and they're just really nifty. So let me show you this thing real quick. Okay, so to open it, you have two little locks right here. You're just gonna push the locks out. Whole thing folds out. You have two panels here that need to be locked. Push that out, push that out. And then this piece where your handle is, fold it in, push it until it locks in. So now that table is rated for 1,000 pounds. We're gonna do a little weight test on it here in a minute. But once your table's set up, there's two clamps in here that come with it. I rarely use the clamps because I'm usually using it to hold a piece of equipment. And anyways, your clamps, you have this piece here, it needs to be moved out. Put you on jack stand here. So when you clamp, you have a button up here, slide this out, and then your clamp, it's gonna slide in this rail. Then the front of it's gonna lock in right here, and you gotta pull your trigger so that comes back right there. Pull that back, it's gonna set down in there, locked. So now that is in there. Let me get the other one in. Once again, move that, pull your trigger to release your lock. Sets down in there, release it. Then you can move these this way. And then you have your trigger, pull your clamp in. So, like I said, I don't use that feature very much. You can actually see some metal shavings that just fell out of it as I took it apart. It's from using it the other day. But super, super cool. Stays out of the way when it's folded up. I can put it, you know, right in the corner of the garage right there. So I don't have a full-size table in my garage all the time. You see my space is limited. But let's get some weight and throw on here. I don't have 1,000 pounds, but we can throw some weight on here. Before I put some weight on here, just want to remind you, pull the handle, that'll unlock this. It'll slide right out. And then store right back under. There, they just lock in like that. Same thing on this side. Yep. 60. 60. See right there. Go grab some more. Both of these, 45. 45 each. So starting out 120 here, 45, 45, 90. So 210 pounds. You can see that thing doesn't care. Just nice and sturdy. Now, let's add some more. I'm about 160-ish, 155, 160. She's a little wobbly. Oh. There we go. Seems pretty sturdy, I don't know why you would want 1,000 pounds on this thing, but that's what it's rated at. Just show you a little bit, legs there. I think they're aluminum, and they do come all the way through the structure here and down, but pretty sure those are aluminum. I have a magnet here. No sticky, so those are aluminum legs. And you can see how it's just, the mold is constructed, how many supports are down under here. Let's take the weight off of it, get a better look at it. There you go. Show you a little bit of why it's so strong. It's just a lot of structure under here. Nice looking table though. And with me on it, what was that, 210 plus 160, so 370 pounds, and seemed to hold up. It's folded up. We'll go ahead and show you how to close it up. You have this handle here, which is actually your handle for carrying it. That folds down out of the way right there. Your two side pieces, just unlock them by pulling them in. And then instead of using the top handles, like when we opened it from here, we'll close it down here. Just give it a squish, locks will lock in right there. Legs can be pushed in, carrying handle right there. All right guys, that's gonna do it for today. Hope you enjoyed. Amazon link below. Go pick you up one.